Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again. Today we're going to go over our Labor Day specials. This is one of the best times of year to buy mattresses. Labor Day, Memorial Day, those are the two big holidays that we love to see come around.
Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Right now, we're offering on our TempurPedic Pro Breeze and our Lux Breeze, these are going to be up to $700 off. This one will keep you 8 degrees cooler all night with their Tempur technology. Awesome material. It's one of the coldest beds on the market that you can get. Really cool bed. This guy up to $700 off. That also does include an Extend sleep tracker. Well, actually, it's an adjustable base that extends. It will actually track how you sleep throughout the night. All right, guys, we also have our ProAdapt and our LuxAdapt series beds. These are going up to $400 off the adjustable base sets. Really cool beds. This is really what put TempurPedic on the map on their ProAdapt series. New technology that they've kind of put in the bed throughout the years. We've all seen that commercial of that lady jumping on the bed with a glass of wine and it doesn't spill. This is the bed, guys. Really cool bed, up to $400 off. All right, guys, these are the Sealy hybrid beds. These are the new hybrids that just came out this year. They just replaced their old ones. Really cool beds, one of our best sellers, actually. This is the High Point. This has got 3 inches of memory foam on the top. It's a hybrid, so then it's got springs underneath that. It's a really cool bed. If you like the best of both worlds, we have this one here. We're offering up to $500 off of this bed right now for Labor Day. We also have the Albany. This one is just a little bit thinner on the memory foam style, a little bit more firm too as far as feel. Right now we're offering up to $300 off of the Albany. And we also have the latest in mattress innovation. So this is a purple. We've kind of briefly seen these if you've seen our other videos, but really cool beds, up to $800 off. It's got the grid technology in here, really different, really cool feel. If you've never felt one, you have to lay on one of these, but up to $800 off for Labor Day, guys. A great promotion. So come on in and stop and see us.